part two. That's $89. I like that little table. The hunt is absolutely amazing. Look at this. That would go pair well on a nice office. Look at that. Leather top. $8.50. It's nice. Yeah. If you're a person that work from home and you have something that would pair well. I gotta show you all. Let me see. Let me make my way through here. Is this? Oh no. About that. $175. That's not in good enough shape for that. And see, that's the thing about some of these stores. You go to getting into a lot of junky stuff. But what is one man's junk is another man's treasure. So the saying goes. I'm kind of under the weather. Bear with me. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm going to show you. What is this piece? $125. Just a little something somebody put together. Okay. I've been eyeing this window. Yeah. If I could get another one. But that's the thing about buying these windows to put in for replacement. They're different sizes. And that'll make your house look kind of wonky. Okay, let me look over here. Oh, look, there's a basket. I don't know about this basket here. I've been looking at that. And it's only $11. Really been looking at that basket. And I like these, the lights, the pendant lights. I like the hanging pendant lights. Oh, this is just $29. Oh, wow. That's nice. Guys, this is pretty. That's $225. I'm just not a fan of blue, with a lot of blue. And you'd be surprised the color. I think if you've seen my video, in one of the rooms, the couch, have a lot of blue in it. See, look at this. It's pretty. $29. I thought I got something out of here. Some really pretty stuff. Okay. $39. Fireplace cover. I think I went too far down. Oh no, is this is it? Look, guys, I'm eyeballing. I'm eyeballing this pot. Of course, that's not the original top, but I'm definitely eyeballing this pot. I'm from the South. You can cook some good greens and whatever else you want to cook in there. I'm not a big eater of neck bones and greens and stuff like that, but I know how to cook it. This stove top, 160. This is Canadian. G&R. Built-in cooktop. Brand new. That's a nice cooktop too. Nice cooktop. Look at that roaster. $49. Okay. The problem with the music in the background, it impedes filming. See, you can buy something like this. This is $150. That's a bit high. But put drinks in it at the bottom of something. Bottle drinks. A lot of nostalgia stuff here. Okay. This fan here has been marked down to $72. That's nice. If you can paint it. But that's a nice fan. And like I said, I don't like to pay over $40 for the fans. I just don't. But anyway, guys, we'll do a shopping haul. If I decide to get some of the items. Donna Lisa with Zuda Info signing out. I have my God, I have my Bible, and I have my gun. Until next time, please subscribe,